Hi, this is Wisely. I will be talking about Hoeganaes Corporation's metal dust flash fires and hydrogen explosion. The case study itself has 3 incidents, all happened in the same workplace in the same year. In a nutshell, they all share the same key issues, mostly can be traced back to upper management negligence. Hoeganaes' primary operation is to melt metal components in 100-foot long annealing furnaces, heat up with hydrogen, cool down later, and crush into fine powders. Back to the triple incident. The first one happened on 31st of January when there is a shutdown on a bucket elevator. When the motor restarted upon request, the vibration dispersed fine dust into the air, triggering a flash fire and engulfing 2 personnels. They are severely burned and eventually pass away in the hospital. The root cause is inner motor casing and wire were exposed to the environment. Second incident happened on 29 March when an engineer was replacing an ignite unit on an annealing furnace. He wore a flame-resistant gear on his upper torso, working on a ladder. When he has trouble to reconnect the gas pipe back to the unit, he used a hammer to force the unit into place, lofting combustible iron dust in the air. He was angered and inflamed, then jumped off the ladder, receiving second-degree burns to the thighs. The incident happened on 27 May. 6 mechanics presumed there was non-flammable nitrogen leaking up in the trench, so they used forklift to lift the cover up. The friction created sparks, followed by powerful explosion, as the leak is actually coming from hydrogen pipe. The explosion dispersed large amount of iron dust within the building, subsequently ignite multiple flash fire, resulted in 3 deaths. During the investigation, field tests has been carried out to determine the danger of iron dust possessed on site. Even though conclusively iron dust is not the most combustible substance in the industry, it is still capable to ignite and explode. The investigation is mostly focused on Hoeganaes management instead. Investigation stated that Hoeganaes management does not have any initiative to conduct their own obligation. Even when their insurance agent ran combustible tests 3 years before the year of incident, the management does not change their process safety procedure. All flash fire and near misses are not documented nor treated. The building itself is not appropriately designed to reduce dust accumulation. Dust collecting system is underperforming and malfunctioning frequently. Dust enclosure for equipment leaks dust consistently as well. Hydrogen explosion incident reveals the lack of care to the physical condition of the piping and blatant mistake in increasing risk of loss of containment. The investigation utilized Swiss cheese accident causation model extensively, looking for components of failure that lead to the incident, which are management, resource allocation, safety program, and operation assistance. The investigation collects evidence that present multiple factors that eventually lead to the specific incident. In post-investigation, Hoeganaes process plant was issued violation, stop work order, and declared unsafe workplace until the building design and process safety management are revised. Fire chief of the city is responsible for the law enforcement.